Hello YouTube viewers, welcome to my channel Route 164. Let's have a look at this case of Johnny Lightning. It's the case with Street Freaks from 2018, release 1B. And I already pre-opened the case, so let's have a look inside. Put it here. This is what it looks like. And take the first one out. And that's from Import Heat. Street Freaks Import Heat series. 2,500 pieces. And let's have a look at the package first. This is the number. Something about white lightnings. 2% I think of the case. Yes, it's 2%. And here is another release of Johnny Lightning. And this is the cars of this set. This is the whole packaging. Back to this one. And it's a pearl white, so it's with metallic. Back side. Front of the car. This one looks alright. And these wheels are plastic, so no rubber tires. But I'm okay with that. Yeah, nice one. Next one. That's a very nice one. Boogie fans. Nice packaging also. Some facts. Limited to 2,500. Orange metallic and several colors. Nice backside. This is a very nice fan. And this one has, I'm not sure, plastic tires. Probably two-piece wheels. But it's okay, they look good. They look very good. Interior. Okay, next one. And that's a Zinger. Zingers always have these high stances. This is the color, pink metallic, 2,500. And it's Dodge Challenger, 1971. It's a nice piece, if you like them. Not everybody likes the Zingers. Next one. And that's a Chevy ambulance 1957. Metallic green, gloss black with flames. Front of the car. Back side. And this one has rubber tires. Next one. Ford panel delivery 1955 in flat black. Some facts: 2,500 pieces, white wall tires, let's look at the front. At the back, always hard to see when the car is black. Most cars are better out of the package when they are black. Blacked out series. Okay, next one. And that's already the last one. And that's a nice one. Ford Mustang Cobra, Ford Mustang 2, 1976 in metallic yellow. And these are called the spoilers. Nice front. Do like this one. Nice stripes. Spoilers always have the engine like this with the blower. Mean looking. Great piece. One of the best ones is still I think the Boogie van. This one, the Chevy G20 van. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you at the next time. Bye.